In this video, we will learn how we can easily zoom in or zoom out our image from the Adobe Express. So here is our image. Okay, this is the entire area and we added the following image. Okay, if you want to zoom it, so just go here. It's 13, you can go for 25. Here it is, we have easily zoomed it. Okay, if you want to reduce the size, you can just go to 10 here. Okay, you can also use the keys, let's say Control plus equal to for zooming in. Let us do that. You can see I just did that and I just zoomed in. For zoom out, it's 100%. You can go for 75, 50 here directly, or you can use Control plus minus. So let me do that. The key is Control and minus. Look, I am doing that and I'm back with the same. So you can easily go for these options and zoom in and zoom out. So guys, in this video we saw how we can zoom in and zoom out our image in Adobe Photoshop Express Editor. Thank you for watching the video.